Welcome back, guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to smoothen your shades just like this. I know you guys have been waiting for something like this, so I decided to take my time to make sure you guys see procedures. Okay, so this is sample 1 of shades I'm going to be using. Just in case, I decided to keep my shades to be sure that I don't lose the original shade. Okay, and now I'm just trying to look for another shade I'm going to use. So I'm just skipping down for my shades just to be sure. Very important. Okay, that's about it. So let's try out something else. Let's try it on my shade. Let's say our base color was this color, this skin shade here. Come and touch that a little. Okay, let's say our base skin color was this, like the lightest part was looking like that. So taking it darker, trying to make it darker. If you notice, I went to the next shade immediately after it and then tried to touch it to see, just to note the difference. Now that for my shade is cool enough, but then do the same thing for all the remaining shades. Just try to go a little bit darker, not too much. And then most times I reduce saturation and increase saturation. It just depends on whatever is shown on picture there, whatever is shown on your reference. So same thing applies, same way I go over the rest, and halfway there already, it's already looking like the color we choose. Although I still feel that lightest part there is just too much, so I might reduce it later on. Just in case, I have already done this video down, so I'm just doing a voiceover, so I don't really have much control of what's happening out here, like immediately. But you get the drill, guys. It's this simple. It's literally this simple. And just like that, I've changed his skin tone from whatever it was before to whatever it is now. So it's that simple. Another technique actually I use, I'm going to show you in the next sample I'm going to use here. Another technique, I pick a shade like the previous shade. When I'm trying to work on the next one, I select the previous color, go out of the color palette, and then come back. Anytime you do something like that, there's going to be a shift. I'm going to show you very soon here. Just keep your eyes open. Remember to subscribe, guys. Remember to subscribe. I don't know how I forgot to say this. Please subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel a lot. Help me get help my videos get suggested, to other artists like you guys that really want to learn. Now, when I shaded this image initially, I was so happy. I felt like I'd done a great job, but little did I know. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. If you notice, I went out of the shade, then I came back in, and now I'm checking it. So go to the previous one, tap it again, and then it's just easy for you to tweak it. Now I chose from one out and I came back again. So just like that, you start trying to up there it shows you the difference. Like here it shows you the difference, so it's not really hard for you. Like it's not just really hard. Just take your time and look at it, you see the difference. Now you don't want it to be too loud, you don't want it to be too small. If it's too small, to look flat, your vector art will look flat. The beauty about vector art is the lines, but then if you're very good enough, you'll be able to make it so smooth and then it looks seamless. So wish you guys the very best. I don't want to use the word I promise, but then I'm going to talk more on shades, on skin colors for a couple of while. Okay guys, see you next time. Take care.